Hi everyone, it's James. You're looking at a Honda DIO, that's the model name, DIO by Honda. It's old and the battery's dead. I'm going to show you how to change the battery. When I put the key in and try to start the ignition, it's on. You hear that? Nothing. It is clicking sound. Nothing's working. The kickstart works. Watch this. This is the Kickstarter. That works. So the battery is weak. Anyway, I'm going to replace the battery. I'm going to pop the seat open. The battery is behind this plastic, so I have to do this and then pull this down. Okay. I am going to unscrew this and remove this plastic. And how do you remove this plastic? There's a little tiny lever here that you press downward like this. There. Goes down just like that. See the plus? This little top part goes right through a little groove, so you have to press this downward, okay? And this pops off. Here's a better angle. You need a Phillips. You're going to turn the screw counterclockwise. Don't lose the screw. Mount. Here's the screw, don't lose it. I'll just put this in here. Now there's one more screw over here that needs to be unscrewed. You see this? This needs to be unscrewed. This screw and the other screw are the same size. Turn it counterclockwise. Try not to lose the screw, like me. Here it is. I'll put it next to the other one. This pops off, like this, and then you can just pull this battery out. Oh, somehow got loose. There's a rubber thing over here that clamps onto this bottom. It got loose. I'll put that back on later. It needs to be secure. We don't want this battery moving around. Here it is. What's the brand? It's a Yuasa TTZ7SL. Here's the new battery. It's a high power battery, HTZ7S, made in China. The old battery, the new battery. So I'm not going to use the old nuts. These are the old nuts. I'm not going to use these old nuts. I will use everything in this new box. Yes, they are identical. Okay, let's get to it. This new battery came with these little components. 2 washers, 2 nuts, and 2 screws. They go in here. Let's do it. So I'm going to have it flat like this. This battery is going in this way, and this is sticking out. So the first thing I'm going to do is put a washer through the screw. Like this. Then I'm going to put the nuts in each of these. Like that. Like that. Let's go over to the scooter. It's going in like this. Gotta move the wires. This is a Japanese bike bought in Japan. I'm in Japan. Okay. Let's put everything back. Screwing in this one. Oh. Wait a minute, I see the belt. Forgot to put the belt in. Hang on. Where's that strap? Okay, here's the strap. This has to go over it. So I'm gonna make sure that this is sticking out, then putting the battery in. Gotta have to hold this without letting the nuts fall out. Don't want the nuts to fall out. Now to get that screw and nut and washer and reconnect everything. Turning clockwise. Catching? Yep, it's catching. Gotta make sure that it's catching the nut. Okay, before I tighten it, I'm just gonna make sure that the battery works. Just reconnecting this terminal, making sure that the screw and the nut make contact. Okay, now to do a test. Yes, I'm getting power. Perfect. It works. Again. Okay, now we can tighten everything. Okay, and next I'm going to pull this. I'm going to pull the strap over the battery, and now it's secure. Then I'm going to take this plastic and put it back to cover the terminal here. There's a groove over here, so this goes under the groove. And just push it in. There, it's in. And now for this, and now for this cover. It's in. Like and subscribe. And once again, I'm going to test it out. Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.